Whoa. 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 Yeah, I've been going for a minute. Now I'm back with the jump off. Hi, sweet. Hi, sweets. How y'all babies doing today? Did you ever think you'd hear that again? Well, you're hearing it again. I sang to y'all. Can I sing to you? I'm back, y'all. I'm back. And I've been gone for a hot minute. So let me give you a roundup of what I've been doing these past few months. And why. So you can get an understanding of why your girl's been gone. So let's go. So first of all, I just want to say that I had no intentions of ever being gone this long. I had grand plans to come back in January, content after content, video after video, y'all getting excited. But you know what they say, when man makes plans, God laughs. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. These last few months, if I don't laugh, I cry, and I've been crying. So I just wanted to let y'all know that I wasn't just gone for being gone sake, you know, like I didn't promise to go get some milk and never come back, you know, like the store kept on moving. That's the real problem. I couldn't get the milk to come back, and I'm going around in circles. So let's just start. So 2022 definitely started off real strong, but not in a good way, not like how you want the new year to start. So it started off with actually 2 deaths in my family, my grandma and then my niece and nephew's grandma as well. She actually passed away first, and then 2 weeks later my grandma passed away as well. So it was a really tricky time for us because we were dealing with a lot, trying to get everything ready for the funeral, you know, getting things in order, and you know, still coping and moving around. So if you guys didn't know, my grandma did live with me, so she was an integral part of the house. She wasn't really like always moving up and down, but like she was always here. So moving from that to her not being here was a real shift. She also died in the house, so it was like it was a lot of things to process for myself, but then also, you know, ensuring that, you know, you help to create an environment where everybody can grieve, especially my mother, because it was her mom. You know, ensuring that everybody's okay, and I suppose just trying to play hero for everybody, doing what you can, helping out where you can, and that took up a lot of brain space, that took up a lot of physicalness for me as well. So January was just a dead month, in the sense of there was death, and in the sense of like I had no capacity to do anything else. So the one good thing that kind of came out of January was that all of the paperwork came through for my car, so I ended up getting a new car, which is something that I've actually really been wanting, but I had delayed it because of COVID, and I do work from home. There was really no need, but you know, I actually went to look at cars with my mom and saw something that I liked and decided to just lock it in because I liked it that much. So yay, I got a new car. So February consisted of basically putting everything in place for the funerals, getting all of the paperwork and documentation ready, which took a lot longer time because of COVID and everything that was happening. But you know, it was just ensuring that everything was in place so that, you know, both of them could get a smooth send off, and there can just be, you know, a good celebration of their lives. The funerals, I believe, went really well. As far as funerals go, it was a nice representation of both of them and the loving people that they were. So I was grateful for that, because that's all I wanted at the end of it. So February was just ensuring that all of that went well. So I remember at the end of February, I kept on thinking, I can't wait until February comes, can go back to some level of normalcy. And I was just waiting on, you know, all the funerals to be over, and literally for February 28th to come and March 1 to be a new day, a new dawn, and everything would just feel okay. As okay could be. Boy, was I wrong, y'all. Boy, was I wrong. Obviously, you know, death doesn't work that way. Grieving doesn't work that way. And, you know, trying to reassemble your life after all of those things. You know, like, normalcy is never achievable after you've left it. Ever. Like, we've seen that with COVID. So, March was a lot of, wow, I'm not okay. And so I made the conscious decision to start going to therapy because I realized that my headspace just wasn't there. I was super forgetful. I was tired all the time. I had no drive and motivation, which, you know, I generally not so much. But, you know, it was record breaking, you know, lack of motivation. And I was just like, I have to do something about this. Like, this is unsustainable. I cannot live my life like this. Just like, I literally just remember waking up, okay, let's go to the gym. Okay, work. Okay, run. All right, let's go to bed now. Like, I was barely eating. I had to go to therapy. So we started to talk through our emotions and kind of see what that looks like so that I could just be in a better headspace. So that was what March was about. So after I started going to therapy regularly, you know, in April I was celebrating my birthday and I felt like I was in a much better place. I had grand plans of making this year's birthday be something huge, celebratory, but with how the year started, none of that happened. I just didn't have the capacity to do anything. And then I was celebrating a milestone birthday, so I didn't want to just not do anything. So at the last minute, and by last minute I mean like April 1, I decided that I was gonna have a nice little brunch with my friends. You know, the people that mean the most to me, to just celebrate with me this one time. And that's what I did. And in April as well, I felt I was in a good enough place to start back vlogging again. So I had started recording some of those videos and those contents, and I know we're all the way in July. Y'all gonna see this birthday vlog, y'all gonna get this birthday vlog, and y'all gonna like it, okay? I worked so hard on it, and it was like my comeback video, so I might seem a little rusty in the video, but I really wanted to share with you guys. Like, I went out of my way to ensure that I could record it so that I could come back, because I had plans to come back in April. It just didn't work out that way. So I started recording again and trying to like get my foot in. Of course, you know how these things go. You think you're in a good place and yeah, maybe not so much, you know. And there was a lot of back and forth for me. I felt like I just didn't have a schedule that could facilitate YouTube anymore. I had grown to a place where YouTube wasn't part of my life. And I had to have lots of talks and random talks with my sister, like, what are we doing? Is this something we want to do? Should we be continuing? Blah 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 blah. And like, even now sitting here, you know, going to be honest, I kind of still have doubts, because, you know, YouTube is a lot of work. It's something I do enjoy, but the reality is it's a lot of work. And that is the real problem. It's a lot of work. It's not like, you know, it's not like making a TikTok, you know. It doesn't take 10 minutes. You know, I have to do my makeup, I have to set up, I have to put up lights, I have to plan out the video, so I ensure that everything's there. I have to come up with ideas. It's a lot more work and effort. So I used May and June to kind of be like, okay, what am I doing? What are we doing here? What are we doing? Coming up with video ideas so we could come back strong. So y'all gonna see all them old videos that your girl was recording until we get to July. But I'm back. I made the decision. We're back. We're doing this. Let's do it. So now we're here in July. Your girl had a quick hair change as usual. I have been blonde for over a year now, and I've been wanting to go ginger next. So I decided to just finally do it. You know, I love blonde hair on me. I'm getting to love this, but I think it really is a different look. I really like it. your girl's still natural under here. This is a quick weave, like, you know, it's glued to my head. When I take it off, my itty bitty short ass natural hairs under there. My hair is hella short, guys. I cut it off all again. But you know, my hair is orange under there. So what y'all think of the new do? Last time you saw me, I was a blonde baddie. Now it's giving spice. Ooh, and I don't mean Anna Spice, because that would be blue. If y'all don't get that reference, I'm sorry. But yes, what you guys think of the new hair? I am loving it. I feel like there's certain colors that I can't wear now with this hair, but I feel like she giving. Is she giving? You know, if you said no, you's a lie. You a hater. Alright guys, well that's my story. No, wait. Alright guys, well that's my life. I hope you enjoyed watching with me. As if you don't, that is a TikTok viral sound. Sorry, that's what I've been doing all this time, y'all. I've been watching TikToks. But seriously, I'm back now and I'm super excited to start recording again, start making videos that you guys will love and enjoy. Of course, I got my own ideas. Be sure to leave your suggestions in the comments. Videos that you've been asked me to do that I haven't done. Tell me again. I might have lost the book that I kept notes in. Tell me again. You know, are you guys glad that I'm back? I know some of you will be for sure. The lighting turned to dog shit. Do you see that? Sorry guys, we're recording in natural light, and you know how natural light goes. It comes, goes. But yes, we're ending the video anyway, so I just wanted to say sorry for my absence. I hope you guys will stay with me now that I'm back. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the comments. Tell me how you've been. Check in with me. What's been happening all this time? Last time you guys saw me, I was blonde. Now your girls are ginger.
Mommy.
Alright guys, more on this hair. Is there gonna be a video? No. But there will be a YouTube shorts. Does that count? Look out for YouTube shorts from me, okay? That's what y'all should be doing. Look out for content here and on my shorts. And of course, follow me on social media. I have been active there, as active gets. Your girl's on TikTok now, so you can follow me on TikTok as well. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video, in my next upload. Alright guys,